Hello, children. Welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is staff or stave. Our topic is staff or stave. A staff is made up of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Your fingers is an example of a staff. Show me your fingers. Let us number it from the thumb, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see the lines in your fingers and the spaces? That is 5 lines and 4 spaces. This is an example of a staff. That is all for today. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.